Look at those socks. Look at them socks. They're from Liquid IV. I love them. Oh, Haley's calling. Hey everybody. Welcome to the channel. So Haley called. She is getting over a flippin' stomach bug. It was like a 24-hour thingy. And I was like, Haley, make sure you're taking your Liquid IV. And she's like, done. So anyways, this video is not sponsored, but Liquid IV did send over their brand new immune booster. I'm literally drinking it right now because this, like I said, is the immune booster. It has vitamin C, Batavia, or however you say it, and zinc in here. So I'm doing all I can. Plus it's gonna keep me hydrated. So what I was suggesting for her, since she had been sick with the stomach bug and all that stuff, to stay hydrated, I always make sure my kids have Liquid IV packets on them. I mean, you guys know I keep a whole bowl here in the house. And of course, Haley has her own place. So I stock her with Liquid IVs because they're better for you. In my opinion, I love them. Code Hotmess Momma of 4 is gonna save you, depending I think on the day, 10 to like 20-25%. So I use my own code and I love this one. Is wild berry blend, strawberry, watermelon, Concord grape, what is that, acai is a good one, all kinds of stuff. So anyways, hi, welcome. Just wanted to tell you what's going on in my life. And she was calling to fill me in that she's feeling better and she went ahead and organized her pantry. It's the little things. And I was like, good job, kid. You want to come do mine? So anyways, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and today we're unbagging my paid for Ipsy Glambag. This is, I just say $16 because after tax and everything, it's pretty much darn near. It may even be like $16.32 or something, I don't know, here in Kentucky. So we're going to be unbagging this. I did get to make my choice. I'm pretty sure I picked the pistache boyfriend body butter lotion stuff. So if you're new, welcome. Over here is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. I'm just really excited that I can move my shoulders more and more every little day. It's been really nice. If you're curious about my makeup and everything, I'll go over it at the... Just joking, let's go over it now. On my lips, my lips are looking jolty and I love it. So Gerard Cosmetics, this is the lip liner in Ecstasy. Then I went in with Underground. Ooh, check this out. It is such a pretty color. Isn't that fun? It's like a grayish taupey color. I put that all over and then I go in with buttercream. Look at these. Isn't that pretty? It's like the perfect nude. You need this in your life. And then I went in with buttercream just in the center, and to really gloss them up, I went in with Truffle, which is from, I don't even know why I'm looking at the bottom like hello ding dong. It's from my lip duo with OFRA Cosmetics. But the OFRA Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Truffle. Hot Mess will save you, code Hot Mess will save you 20% over at OFRA, and then code Hot Mess will save you 30% on the lip products over at Gerard Cosmetics. And I know some people are like, well, how come your code's not working? Couple reasons. Coupon codes for Gerard Cosmetics does not work on Hair AF or Clean Canvas Eye Base. But when they go on sale, stock up. Because just FYI, there's going to be a Black Friday sale starting. Woo! Anyways, and then I do have on the OFRA Cosmetics trio that was in our BoxyCharm. I do have this on my eyes, and I forgot to bring it in. The Tinseltown, the little purple shade, I have that on my eyes. And then the muted, like all the other colors, it was this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then for my base makeup, it's my SEINT cream products, which I'm finally up to date on all of y'all's color matches. If you want a free color match, there's a link in my description box if you want to try it. Okay, cool. If not, okay, cool. So let's go ahead and start with this. I just had the most delicious lunch. I had a little lunch date with my husband and it was so nice. Like midday snackety snack. We went and I forget what it's actually like, what the restaurant name is called, but it's like this yummy, delicious Mexican restaurant, and I got like this quesadilla, fried quesadilla of heavenly amazing goodness. Anyways, I just felt the need to tell you that. Anyways, this is the Ipsy November, and there's something not in the bag. Okay, so the first thing, which FYI, we're like 5.5 minutes in. I like keep making it sound like I'm gonna show you guys everything, but with the Ipsy Glambag, you do get to pick one item. So this is what my bag looks like this month. I don't know why. There we go. So for November, this is what it looks like, and of course you do get to customize one item in here, and then they put the rest of the stuff in here based off of your profile. So the first item is the Nanette Le Pour Fiercely. I think it's like a rollerball maybe perfume, which the past couple perfumes that I've been getting in my Ipsy PR has been amazing. Can't really. Well, so much for getting it on the paper. I literally just got my finger with it. Oh, okay. You may touch my botte, because that smells naughty. Just joking. It smells good. I really like it. Ooh, that is really good. Okay, so who got this, and do you like it? I'm really bad at telling you all notes. Hopefully it's on here. Ingredients, don't spray in your eyes. Okay. Okay, top notes is lemon, peach blossom, pink pepper, salty air. I think that's why I love it, because their dossier has one that I use all the time, and I think it's called like floral pepper or pink pepper. I don't know. Y'all know I love dossier products. Code Rhonda10 will save you an additional 10% on dossier products. Anyways, mid notes are neroli, tiger lily, I can smell the lily, hibiscus and coconut milk, and then the base notes are driftwood, solar musks, and creamy amber. I wish I could. It almost reminds me, I have this one in a Jo Malone fragrance, and I have the dossier for it, but I don't remember the dossier dupe name for it. But it does smell like a Jo Malone perfume, in my opinion. The one I have, I want to say it was like a honeysuckle one or something. That smells amazing. You're staying out, and I'm keeping that. A lot of times I give away half the stuff that I get in my bags. Next in here we have the Naked Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Eyeshadow and Desert Sunset 04. Oh, that's pretty. So it's an eyeshadow. I will go ahead and put this in a giveaway. If it's not in a giveaway, it'll end up in like my Poshmark goodie bags. I haven't uploaded anything to my Poshmark closet in a hot minute, but I definitely do plan on it. One of y'all did just place an order. I'm not gonna like shout out your name, because I know sometimes people are like, shh, I watch this, I watch you with my husband, and calling me out. Sorry, not gonna do that. But yeah, I like to send you all little thank you goodie bags when you shop my Poshmark. So this, obviously, I'm keeping for this hot minute, because Haley and I hope to come back and do Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. But yeah, that will be in a future thing. Okay, I got it. I was right. The Pistachio Body Butter. I love this stuff. I haven't gotten it in so long. Oh, it's got a little doohickey on here. I'm gonna put some on now, because Kentucky weather, saying it's winter. And I'm like, okay, look, we may be in November, but Mama's not ready for all this snow. We had it over the weekend, and I'll give it to it. I'll give it to you. It was pretty. It definitely was really pretty to see the snow, and it definitely got my husband and I like all excited, the kids excited and everything, because like, no, holidays, yay. Yet nobody wants to put their Christmas tree up. I was like, you guys. They're like, no, Mom, can we just have Thanksgiving? Let's just take a poll, okay? Oh, that smells so good. I am gonna smell like a whole mix of stuff. It smells fine. Anyways, who has already got their Christmas tree up? Because I'm not even gonna lie, October 31st, your girl was ready to pop that puppy up. Like, I know a lot of people, like including my youngest, get so excited. She loves, like, still, you know, 16 years old, still goes out trick-or-treating, which is cool. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm short, so I was still trick-or-treating after I had Haley. I would just dress her up, and then I'd dress myself up and trick-or-treat. I don't care. And if I was still obsessed with candy like I used to be, y'all best believe I would have put something on and went trick-or-treating with the kids. But I don't know, I told you all. I'm gonna sidetrack. We'll get back into this in a minute. If you are new here, I already told you my name, but my channel name, you saw it, Hotmess Momma MD, blah blah blah. Pretty much none of the Momma MD matters. It's just the first word, Hotmess. Gemini with ADHD. Look, I'm doing the hearts like all the kids nowadays. This is how I used to. My kids are like, no mom, it's like this. Whatever. I don't know where I was going with it. Any of that. Have to replay it. I'll be editing and be like, girl, this is what you were talking about. Yeah, gone like a fart in the wind. Can't believe that happened. I just got so excited to show y'all that I can do a heart. Oh, Christmas. So I know my husband is listening in the other room going, Rhonda, can you stay on task? No, babe. That's what I have you for. You remind me of what I was leaving off from. Anyways, who put their Christmas tree up? Because I legitimately was ready as trick-or-treaters were walking around to dig out the Christmas tree. And then the kids were like, no. And I was like, November 1. And they're like, no, can we get through Thanksgiving? And I'm like, what the frick is wrong with you children? So I'd like to know who has their Christmas tree up. Oh, look at that. So shop Black Friday with Ipsy. It's time to get a head start on your holiday shopping. It says you can visit Ipsy and they have a 12-day holiday calendar, which I don't know what is in that, to be honest with y'all, but oh my goodness, I have on the card everything that's in my bag. Hopefully I'm in focus, but look y'all, my camera's old. She's doing the best she can and she struggles to focus just like her mama. Okay, so we don't hate on her. All right, next in here I have, oh yes, this is the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara. Now they had just sent me a full-size mascara because, as you all know, like, yes, I'm wearing like fake lashes, but I'm back to wearing mascara every day. And when I had lash extensions, I wasn't really wearing mascara. I didn't even put mascara on the bottom lashes. I just started putting some today. Not today, silly girl. I promise you there was no adult beverages to be had at this Mexican restaurant we went to. I'm just happy that I had the most delicious quesadilla with chorizo on it, known to man. And their chips and their pico de gallo. Oh, got me so excited. Anywho's, it's since I stopped wearing lash extensions, what I was trying to spit out of my brain, what that is not functioning right now for whatever reason, is the fact that I do mascara. Today I have on the OFRA Baddie Trio. Y'all, that helped my lashes so much. So if you are recouping from lash extensions, which I didn't have them fall out, it was just I wore them for 1.5 years straight, so they needed a little bit of a break. Anywho's, it's I would suggest the Baddie lashes. I didn't finish that sentence. So sorry. So sorry. God bless. And I had a really good sleep last night, so I can't even blame it on that. I just remembered I was going to tell you all about how I don't crave sweets no more. I don't think you guys care. It's going to be a pain in the butt to edit. Alright, the last item is Field Trip, and it's a hydrating lip mask. I've never heard of this before. So it's in like the little, I call it like the bubble thing. I'm in my own head right now, beating myself up for the fact that I just took 15 left-hand turns. But you know what? It's okay. This is who I am. And we embrace the hot mess. Okay, so anyways, maybe I should give you guys numbers. I'm feeling rather awkward right now. So this has a $25 retail value if you buy the full size. This is just a deluxe size sample, which with the Ipsy Glambag, you typically do see more deluxe size samples of stuff. Next in here, we have the full size product is $28 of the pistache body butter. And I picked it up off of Amazon for the longest time. And it was one that I really like it. It reminds me of the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, Boom Boom Cream, whatever you want to call it. It's always a fight, so I always say both because I can't please everybody, even though I'm trying. But it was one that reminded me of that. But I will tell you all, as much as I love the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, I love this one more because it's thicker and it's a body butter. And I feel like the Sol de Janeiro is more of like a body lotion, so it's a thinner consistency. And I tell you what, my dry Kentucky skin needs this more. All right, next in here, we've got the Field Trip Overnight Hydrating Lip Stuff. Full size is $13. We've got the Naked Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Eyeshadow, $15, and this is a full size. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, dang. So this is a deluxe size sample of the Nanette Le Pour Fiercely Fragrance. $90 for the full size of this. Y'all, it's still on. It smells so good. What is that? Okay, it kind of also reminds me not only of the Jo Malone, but Jennifer Aniston had come out with her own perfume decades ago, and I bought it. Kind of reminds me of that too. It smells so good. So anyways, it says tip, apply moisturizer or petroleum jelly to your pressure points or before spraying on the fragrance so it'll last longer. That's cute. I don't know, but I really like that. So honestly, y'all, I'm a little shocked because I really like it. You guys know I normally hate on Ipsy for my paid for bags. I can't complain. This is actually a good bag. I feel like there's a chance that I win again, which would make it like 2 months in a row. So we will definitely see. I will say though, I don't think the bag's cute. Like now, the more I look at it, I do like this thing, but this part, I'm like, Anyways, that's just me. Well, thank you for joining my channel on this video. I do appreciate it. I'm well aware I'm all over the place, so please don't tell me in the comment section. My mental health has been really good lately. I have been sticking with my vitamins, so that's probably one of the key components. But anywho, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Y'all don't have to help support this channel and you choose to, and I definitely appreciate it. And shout out to my girl Tina because she sent this cute little, now it's gonna be my emotional support mug. I have my liquid IV in it, and because mama's not getting sick. Mamas don't have time to get sick, so if you want to pick up some of your liquid IV, I highly recommend it. And I'm telling you all, when it comes to the liquid IV, it has like minerals in here, and one packet of these is like an ungodly amount of water bottles. It hydrates you so much. And fun fact, I'm queen of overhydrating myself with just water, and then I flush out my electrolytes. That's gonna help not happen. So anywho, that is all I got for y'all today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's wackadoodle video. Check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for plus size cover girl fashion hauls over there. I've got my Halara pants on. They're the best. Hotmess 20 will save you. I got codes for everything. Codes for everything because I like to save money, and yes, I use my own codes. So I got a Halara haul over there. I just did a couple Walmart hauls, some Shein Curve hauls. You name it, your girl's hauling it. So anywho, thanks so much for joining me. I spilled water on myself. Oh yeah, are my socks cute? Stay well, baby. I should end the video now. Okay, well, I'll have my makeup and everything linked down below for y'all. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends.
I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever